Welcome to the King Estate section of Wine Notes for March of 2016. King Estate dominates the Oregon category with annual volume of 350,000 cases, representing 13% of all Oregon wines sold. Clearly the powerhouse of Oregon wine business. 35% of King's sales emanate from Acrobat, which is growing at 37% nationally and is on track to hit 150,000 cases in 2015. This is pretty remarkable for a brand that was launched in 2009. In-house, we have King Estate and Acrobat case cards, as well as fresh and valid MIRs. Acrobat is a March performance model brand. 2015 Rosé of Pinot Noir will be in stock and available in March. There's a 1 month only rip on Acrobat Pinot Noir and Pinot Gris of $120 on 10 cases. Use this to dry floors in cold boxes. Acrobat is supported by Raritan Merchandising, so remember to book displays via Raritan. It's a hot brand by Impact Magazine, the first ever for any Oregon wine. The 2014 Pinot Gris scored a top 100 in the Wine Enthusiast and 88 points, standing at number 95 in the top 100. Now here are some incredible Acrobat Pinot Gris statistics to consider as you develop your personal business and income growth plans for 2016. In just 750 12-pack goods, Breakthru Beverage of New Jersey's sales increased more than 35% in the last 12 months, and accounts sold increased 33%. This statistic excludes combo packs and sizes other than 750 ml. We sold an average of 5.8 cases per account. Because the deal level is low, this means accounts are turning their goods several times a year. In the last 12 months, we sold 124 accounts. However, the number of accounts statewide selling Oregon Pinot Gris is probably more than 10 times greater than the 124 accounts, which means we are leaving money on the table. Accounts with a history of using this item in the prior 12 months grew year on year at more than 51% and are selling an average of 19 cases per account per year, which means customers using Acrobat Pinot Gris tend to turn many times a year and tend to grow their business dramatically. If we double our accounts sold, which I think is a conservative target, and the new accounts sell at 33% the current average rate of sale, we would deplete an additional 240 cases, which would drive our increase to more than 80%. Here is another way to look at it. 49 salespeople sold at least one case during the last 12 months. The average salesperson sold 15 cases during this period. If the balance of salespeople also sold Acrobat Pinot Gris at 33% of the current rate, the result would be another 300 cases sold, and our growth would be 111% instead of 35%. It makes sense to sell Acrobat Pinot Gris because the statistics demonstrate it turns in accounts, so you do your customers a service by selling this wine. This wine is exclusive, so getting it into distribution is a commissions annuity for you. It is a win-win proposition. Our area manager is Laura Paul. You can get her contact information from the wine notes attached to the link that brought you to this video. This supplier is dedicated to our mutual success in New Jersey and is corporately aligned across the Breakthru Beverage Network. Thank you for watching and listening to the King Estate section of Wine Notes for March of 2016.